What's going on, Vetted family? It's Joey. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing our mobility series. I'm going to teach you how you can roll out your lats and rotator cuff at home. Before we get into that, like I've said before, we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. If you guys could please subscribe. 99% of you watching are not. We would really appreciate the support so we can do more and more of these videos to teach you how to take care of yourself. This is an awesome one, especially if you are an athlete, if you work with your hands, or if you just want fully functional shoulders. I'm gonna be using a PVC pipe for this one. You can use a foam roller, no problem. I'm gonna lay on my side, and there's a couple different ways you can execute it. You can go chest up toward the sky slightly more. That'll get you more on the back side of the shoulder. So we're gonna be really getting the lat and the rotator cuff in this position. I'm just gonna roll up and down here. I can kind of place my hand on my roller device and I can use my hand to kind of roll it through. Makes it a little bit easier to do. The other option you have is to just change the angle. So you can go chest down slightly more like that. And now I'm actually almost rolling down by my rib cage and toward the front of my shoulder, so that will hit the serratus anterior, and you can even go into your armpit and get your subscapularis. So this release technique is awesome because there's a bunch of different muscle structures you can hit. So we're getting about 3 of the 4 rotator cuff muscles, and like I mentioned, the lats and the serratus anterior. It is very sensational, but that's okay. Just breathe slow, try to relax. 2 minutes or so. And then after that, move your arm around. I promise you will notice the difference.